So look at this, all that copper shaving, like, you know, it's bad. Let me get another video with the flash off, and you guys can really see the sparkle. Look at the bottom of this pan. Look at all those gold flakes. That is absolutely not good. That is absolutely not good. And as you can see, I'm pouring it through a strainer to catch bigger things, but that is absolutely not good. Okay, here it is without the flash on. You can see the whole pan, the bottom of that oil pan is covered. And like I said, the customer just purchased this motor. Look at what the strainer caught. So if you don't do this, you might want to start straining, catching and draining and straining your oil or anything fluid, so you can catch and keep out whatever you're putting in, if you're feeling or not. That is bad.